buddy? What is that? Go see what Santa left. Did you get your kitchen?
Yucky.
Put it in there.
The yucky.
It's not yucky.
This. Popcorn. The popcorn.
I think that's cauliflower.
Like flour. But eat this.
You eat that?
No. The yucky.
Did you see your Rudy guitar? Do you want to open it?
I hear it.
What? Is that your backpack? Motorcycle. Cool. Watch, push the red button.
What?
Push the button on your kitchen.
What? That?
Oh, watch. Oh, what's in there? Look right here. Push this.
Well, hello there. It's your turn to get in the kitchen and learn. Put an object, if you can, on the cutting board. Put an object, put an object,
Put the cauliflower in the pan and see what
on
happens.
the cutting board or in the pan.
Put that in the pan and see what happens. That's flour.
What?
Flour. Put it in the pan and see what happens.
Put an object, if you can,
Put it in the pan on the kitchen.
or in the pan.
Yeah.
The bear?
Oh.
I declare, put an object, if you can, on the cutting
Ooh,
board
put some butter in
or
there. See
in
how
the
to put the
pan.
butter. Watch, put it in the pan right there on the stove, buddy.
What? What?
Watch.
Put an object, if you can, on the cutting board or in the pan.
Oh, nothing happened.
Get ready to ride. It's breakfast time.
Yeah, they're making
Gather all
pancakes.
the ingredients from the recipe card and put them on the counter next to the cutting board. You will also need a